Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you are looking for a recessed light style, as you can see here, that just so happens to be motion activated, this video is for you. So this company there reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview, a little installation, see how hard or easy it is, and how well it works. But no way whatsoever with this being provided to me affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. And so this is what it looks like. Very simple design. It has sort of that flushed mount look to it. Now this comes with all the required hardware. So it has this bracket that you mount up into your ceiling. It does come with some anchor screws, and it does come with all the necessary screws here. And then also it comes with these little caps. So once you screw it in, it comes with these little caps that cover this and make it look nice and clean. From a sizing standpoint, end to end, it's right at 8.5, and the actual light fixture is about 6.5. This part right here, this lens is about 6.5. So you can kind of wrap your mind around what this might look like in your house or whatever. I'm gonna install this in a closet because I think in a closet where it's usually dark and then you open it up, this should hopefully automatically turn on and I won't have to hunt for the light switch. So let's get this thing installed and see how it looks. All right, this is a door to a closet. When you open up, it automatically turns on. It will stay on while there's movement, and then it will turn off if there is no movement for at least 30 seconds. So you can see what it looks like because it's just so bright when it's installed. That's what it looks like. There's are the holes for the their not so attractive fluorescent lamp that was there. Just a nice, clean look. And then with the light on, it's just nice. And that is about a 4,000 Kelvin, 4,000 K light fixture. Just looks super nice, easy to install. Every single piece of hardware you need, it comes with it. Hopefully that answers any question you might have. We'll talk to you soon.